Hello guys, welcome to all of you. Let us see a question on linearity so that our concept may become more clear. Here in this question it is given that if Vs is equal to V naught, then I equal to 1 ampere, and if Vs is equal to 2 V naught, then I1 current has been asked in this question. So let us see how can we use concept of linearity in this question so that it may become more clear that how can we apply linearity in the network circuit. Here is the circuit given in the question, and it is given that if Vs is equal to V naught, then I is equal to 1 ampere. So we will use this information in our circuit and try to find out current I1. So if Vs is equal to V naught, then current I is equal to 1 ampere. So from the circuit we can see that V3 voltage can be written as the voltage across 4 ohm and 2 ohm resistance. So here it can be written as V3 is equal to 4 plus 2 into I. So it will be equal to 4 plus 2, as it is given in the question that I is equal to 1 ampere. So we put the value of I here and we will get V3 is equal to 6 volt. So if we apply Vs is equal to V naught, then we can find out V3 is equal to 6 volt across 3 ohm resistance. So here I3 current can be find out. I3 is equal to V3 by 3 voltage upon resistance. That will be equal to 6 by 3 equal to 2 ampere. Now here we can see from KCL that this I2 current is coming towards this node and this current is distributed as I3 and I current. So we can find out I2 equal to I3 plus I. By putting the value of I3 and I, that is I3 equal to 2 ampere and I is equal to 1 ampere given in the question. So it will be I2 equal to 3 ampere. Now we have find out the value of I2. Then we can apply KVL here. Then we are moving from this node towards this node. Then here it is V1 equal to 1 ohm into I2, that is V1 equal to 1 ohm into I2 plus V3. Now putting values, we have calculated here I2 is equal to 3 ampere and V3 is equal to 6 volt. Then we can find out V1 is equal to 9 volt. Since we have got the V1 value is 9 volt, then I1 can be find out V1 by 6. So here by putting the value of V1 is equal to 9 volt, we can find out I1 value equal to 3 by 2 ampere. So we have seen that if Vs is equal to V naught, then I1 current is equal to 3 by 2 ampere. Now in the question it is asked that if Vs is equal to 2 V naught, then what will be the value of I1? Now we can assume that this is a linear network since only resistance is connected here and no independent voltage or current source applied between these resistances. So it is a linear network, and here at the input a Vs source is applied and we have to find out current I1. So we assume that at output I1 current will be find out. As we have calculated that if Vs is equal to V naught, then I1 is calculated as 3 by 2 ampere. So Vs is equal to V naught, so here I1 will be equal to 3 by 2 ampere. If Vs is equal to 2 V naught, then I1 can be find out as this is a linear circuit and we have twice our input voltage, so output current will be also multiplied by 2. So here 3 by 2 ampere is the current and it will be multiplied by 2. Output current will be equal to 3 ampere. If input voltage is 2 V naught, then output current I1 will be equal to 3 ampere. In this way, we can apply the principle of linearity in a question to find out solution of our problems. See you guys in next videos.